Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. Welcome back to another Dan and Plan video. Finland day 1, day 2, however you want to see it. This is our first full day in Rovaniemi. So today we're going to head off towards a waterfall. I'll put the name here because it's Finnish, can't pronounce it. Got the GoPro, got the drone, we're ready to go and explore. So come along and join us on this beautiful day in Lapland. Let's go. Alright, we've just stopped at a cafe at the waterfall. Just got a little coffee, so we'd use the toilets as well. But look at this. Right, we're just leaving the cafe now. Gonna go and get our stuff together, go and have this beautiful walk. The weather's just nice here. It's cold, but it's a nice cold. It's not like yesterday at the Santa Claus village. That coffee, that Paulig, I think it is, the Finnish coffee, is absolutely stunning. So nice. Right, here we are back at the car. Get our stuff and we'll go on the nature trail here. Right, here we go. Starting the trail now. Pam's just went a little bit ahead because I had to put my snow boots on. So I'll just walk down and catch up to her. What a beautiful place. So at the end there should be a nice waterfall. I try not look at things online. I like to see it as a genuine reaction for the first time. So Pam normally finds the things and I just kind of turn up really. Look. Right, let's head on the trail. Look at this. Woo. Wow. What that is. What do you think?
It's beautiful, isn't it?
It is. Look. Wow. This is absolutely stunning. Just look at that. Look how it's frozen on the waterfall. Look at that. What a beautiful place. This is why I love Finland so much. It's just pure, quiet, picturesque.
Look what they've done for the dogs. This sign tells you that on these stairs they've made little wooden dog steps with paw prints on them, but they're obviously all covered in snow. But that's for the dogs.
Oh, that's so nice.
How nice is that?
Let's have a look at the dog steps. Look, one without snow just here.
Where? Oh, there's not paw
Dog
prints?
steps.
The sign said to put paw prints on.
I think it's so their paws can go up and it's not on there. Lovely dog steps. So we're a little way into the walk now. Going up here. What a beautiful setting for a nice walk. This is so nice. And there's no one around. Once we've left the cafe, it's just silent. Detour for dogs. So we've just stopped at this little lookout and it's about the war history, and it's saying along the trail there's many different war lookout points and history things. But I watched the Yes Theory video last night about the Finnish armies. They're called Men of the Snow, and they're a vital part as to why Finland got back from Russia, because obviously there's only 4 million Finns in the world, but they're a powerful 4 million. And it was a really interesting video about the Men of the Snow, the Arctic division of the Finnish Marines. It's a good video. But see how the trees, the bark is like two-tone on them, and it always makes it look like the sun's setting. That's not the light, that's just the way the bark on the trees goes. Look. I think that's incredible. It always looks like it's the perfect sunset, but it's just an interesting little thing. Don't know why it does that, so I don't have any more facts. I just like it. Look at this, just listen. Silence, look. So this is where we are now. Absolutely breathtaking. Loving it. It's got to be a bit of a sketchy bit on the stairs. Pam's just going down. Sounds like there's a cow in the tree. Right, we're just coming up to this now. Looks like Taylor Swift's been tagging the trees up. Look at that frozen waterfall there. Wow. It is breathtaking, Finland. I absolutely adore this country. It is fantastic. They've got the right level of nature. The people are amazing. They invented the sauna. No wonder they're the happiest place on earth. Look at this. Why would you not be happy here? Right, we're coming down to crossing the river now. It's a little bridge here. It's a little fire pit over there. Let's go check out what they've got. Imagine camping here. Obviously when the snow's not here, but look at this. Wow. Beautiful. Through the edges. Let's see. That's it. Can you just start a fire? Yeah. Oh, that smell. Look. Got some kindling there. Little fire pit. This is so cute. All that wood in there. Sit here. Sit here and have your little fire. Toast a little sausage. This guy's starting a fire. Just crossing the bridge now, you can feel it moving. Right, I'll go over. Let's get a little picture of Pam first. Look at this, it's just totally frozen, that's epic. You can really feel it moving, look. Wow, what a beautiful place, man. Look. Look at this.
Smile and get your picture.
Now we're going to trek up these stairs. I don't know if this waterfall was at the beginning or if there's still something to see, but the walk is absolutely stunning. Let us see, I try not to look at what Pam finds for us because I like to get the real reaction, see it. Otherwise it will be damn planned, right? Just walking up to this boulder now, a bit of a strange place for a boulder to be. Just here. What's this? In the old days, people thought that huge boulders such as this one in the middle of a forest could be nothing else but the result of work carried out by giants. I mean, it does seem like that. Why is it here? There's literally nothing else, just a giant boulder here. Look at the size of it. Look. And in the olden days, it says these would be places of worship because there was no explanation of how else they got there. I mean, it is quite strange how that's here and there's nothing else other than that one there, but just 3 giant boulders in the middle of nowhere. But we continue on the walk. What a beautiful little spot this is. Just look at this untouched snow and little viewing tower. That is stunning, man. Look at this landscape. Beautiful. We're going to stop at this little viewing tower here, have our lunch. We brought a packed lunch. Then we're going to put the drone up and have a look around this beautiful landscape. Let's go. Are we eating inside? Okay. Are we eating up there? Yeah? Yeah? Right. We'll go up and have lunch. Look at this, man.
There's a lot of ice here, so be careful.
Look. Little bench here.
Okay. Oh my god.
Look at this view. Is it better up there? Oh wow, look over there. Ooh, my bag's stuck. Wow, look at this. This is breathtaking. Have a little look. Here's the bench, we'll have lunch here. And we'll look for this little wren as we're eating. What kind of bird is this? Look at this, man. We're sat down on this bench now, going to have some lunch. Paprika crisps to share, and these little ham and cheese, and a little Jaffa pineapple. I'm going to eat my sandwich now. See you after lunch. And just like that, we're back at the cafe. So I'm looking at the antifreeze. It's rated to minus 96 degrees Celsius. Oh my god. We've just pulled up back here at the K City Market because we're going in for a cotty pizza, which is delicious. I'll show you when we get inside. We just came out the shops and we're just looking on Aurora because check this out. So this, where the blue dot, this is the Aurora map, but obviously it's still just about hanging on to daylight. But this is the current situation right now. The forecasts are this is the forecast, but look at the cloud coverage. Right, it's just getting dark now. We're gonna head back out up to the same spot as yesterday. See if we can see anything, but the cloud coverage might be a problem tonight. However, 4 AM is looking damn good. So let's go. Car's just under here. Right, let's head off. Right, so it's currently 3:59. We've just woke up. We're going to get straight in the car and go back up because the notifications have been pinging non-stop, and it's like a KP7 right now, which is off the chart. So if it is not cloudy outside, we should get a really good show. So let's go back up to that spot we go to, and we'll see what we can see. I'm super tired right now. Let's go. Right, we're just in the car now and we're driving back up to that spot near the lake. There seems to be no one around, but like I say, it is 4:05 in the morning now. So we'll drive up and see what we can see. Right, we're coming up to the spot now. Pam's just getting some footage of us driving up. Oh, that van's there still. They must be camping out. This is where we were earlier on. What's this in the trees?
Little reflective flags.
Right, we'll try and be super quiet because this van must be sleeping. I feel better that this van's here, mind.
Why?
You're just throwing that totally alone here.
What's going to happen? You're in Finland.
Exactly, it's Finland. It's lovely.
There's not going to be some mass murderer out and about, is there?
Well, famous last words now.
Yeah.
Right, we're back. We're going to have a little hour's sleep or so. Get up and then go out and explore. Thank you for watching today. I'll start the next video when we wake back up. See ya. Peace. Solo on a kids ride. Let's go. Yeah, it's kind of a bit scary now.